Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss calculation of pharmacokinetic area under the curve AUC parameter from given data by Professor Sabashek. So first we'll see the aim of the experiment. So aim of the experiment is to calculate pharmacokinetic area under the curve parameter from the given data. So basically we are calculating the AUC from the given data. So now we'll see the principle. So area under the curve represent the area under the plasma concentration versus time curve. So it is the total integrated area under the plasma level time curve and expressed in total amount of drug that comes into the systemic circulation followed by its administration. So basically this area under the curve is nothing but the one of the pharmacokinetic parameter which gives an idea about the bioavailability of the drug from the different dosage form as it represent the extent of absorption. So we are performing or we are calculating basically the AUC of different formulation in order to understand the bioavailability of the drug. This AUC is expressed in microgram per ml per hour. So how we will calculate this? So basically in this particular experiment, how we are calculating the AUC? So we are calculating the AUC by trapezoidal rule method. So what do you mean by trapezoidal rule method? So in trapezoidal, so this is the one of the graph that we have got through the at a different time interval what is the concentration of drug in the plasma. So this is the classic example of intravenous formulation or parenteral formulation. So what happens at as soon as we give the drug, the plasma concentration is very high. Okay, then gradually slowly it decline and after a 10 hour it is reduced to the almost zero. So in this trapezoidal rule method, what we are doing, we are dividing our this area under the curve that we got through the study into the different trapezoid. So basically what we will do, we will form a different trapezoid. That means this is the trapezoid number 1. Then we can do we will do trapezoid number 2. Then we can again draw the line and we will make it as trapezoid number 3, then trapezoid number 4, 5 up to 10. So in this particular experiment basically we are dividing area under the curve that we got through the experiment into the 6 trapezoid, and this 6 trapezoid then we will calculate the AUC. So AUC, in order to calculate the AUC, what we need to do, so in this method the plasma concentration versus time plotted used for the determination of AUC is divided into geometric figure. So what we are doing, we are dividing this area under the curve into the different trapezoid and we will call this as geometric figure, whose area can be determined individually using the appropriate geometric formula. So by using an appropriate geometric formula, we will calculate the AUC of this trapezoid. Then similarly by using the appropriate geometric formula, we will calculate the AUC of this trapezoid. Then this trapezoid. So continuous move on to the all the trapezoids. So by using the different geometric formula, we will calculate the, we can say the AUC of the trapezoid, and in order to know the entire AUC, what we will do, we will add all the AUC that we have got for the each trapezoid. So therefore the plasma concentration versus time plot is drawn with a straight line. You can see here I have drawn the straight line. So we will plot a straight line. Thus when two adjacent points are joined with a straight line, a perpendicular to the x-axis is drawn. These two concentration points, one obtain a geometric figure. So by drawing the line from this point to this point, what we have got? We have got one trapezoid. So this one trapezoid we will call as geometric figure. And in order to calculate the AUC of one geometric figure, we have the geometric formula with us. That I will show you now. So with the exception of one or two segment, all the segment in this plot tend to be trapezoid, and hence it is called as the trapezoidal rule or trapezoidal rule method. Okay. So now we'll see how to calculate this. So after the administration of IV fluid, or the we can say the IV parenteral drug to the patient, what happens? We have got some blood concentration of drug which is present in the plasma. So at 0 hour, the concentration of drug in the plasma is 100 microgram per ml. Then after 1 hour it is reduced to 50. After 2 hour it is reduced to 25. After 3 hour, the plasma concentration of drug we got here as 12.5. Then after 4 hour it is 6.25. After 5 hour it is 3.13. After 6 hour it is 1.56. Now we need to, just now we have discussed, okay, we got the graph like this. So we will divide it into 6 different trapezoid. So 1 as 2. So likewise here is the 6th trapezoid. So in order to calculate the we can say the AUC of this first trapezoid, we have the geometric formula. So AUC of first time interval, AUC1, it is C0. So C0 is 100 plus C1. So here the C1 is 50 divided by 2 into time. So there is, what is the difference between the time? So 1 minus 0 we will get here as 1. So we have got here as 1. So the result we have got here is 75. Accordingly, for the second time interval, we will calculate the AUC2, that is C1. C1 is 50, C2 is 25. Now we have taken these two reading, 50, 25 divided by 2. Again the difference between the time interval is 1 hour. So we have got here AUC2 as 37 microgram per hour per ml. Okay. So similarly in this, by using the same formula, we will calculate the AUC3, AUC4, AUC5 and AUC6. So this is the observation table. So this is the different time interval. This is the concentration that we have taken. The time interval here is 1 hour. Then we have calculated the AUC by use of a one trapezoid using a geometric formula. So we have got here is 75, 37.5, 18.75, 9.375, 4.96, 4.69, then 2.345. So this is the AUC of the all 6 trapezoid. Now we need to know the, or we need to calculate the area under the curve of the entire plot. So this 75 is only for one trapezoid. So in order to know the area under the curve of entire plot, we need to add all this. So when you add all this, so ultimately you will get the area under the curve here as 147.657. So this is nothing but the area under the curve of the given plasma time profile is 147.657 microgram per hour per ml. So this is all about the experiment. Thank you.